it gonna be?
Did you see the scary?
Yeah, look at that herring. Oh my gosh. You might want to go backwards, babe.
You're not supposed to be.
We're like drifting into him.
My log.
Oh my god. Okay, now that's a grand finale if I've ever seen one. Like, help me! I know you said that, and then they all started jumping.
Oh god.
Oh no, wrong way, buddy. Oh my god, babe.
Oh, this is freaking out.
Babe. Oh my god. I think I did my life jacket. Oh my god. Oh, I just got some whale spray. Oh, please don't come up again. Please go under. Oh, there they are, right. It went right under us.
I got wet.
I did too.
That's probably the most freaked out I've been.
They blew, like when you guys were back here, one blew like right in front of the boat again, and I was like, I'm like, please don't come back up.
We might die out here.